Hello class 10th. Today I am going to start with this new chapter, that is chapter number 4, absorption by roots. Okay, as you know, this is comes under the plant physiology. This is a branch of biology which deals with the life functions of the plant. Okay, this comes under the branch of science, that is plant physiology. Plant physiology. Okay, this is the branch of biology which deals with the life functions of the plant. It includes the functioning of cell, tissue, organ system and the organism as a whole. This chapter deals with some of the most fundamental process like osmosis, which have tremendous significance in the life of all organisms. Okay, now this comes under this branch of biology, that is plant physiology. Now chapter name is absorption by root. Okay, absorption by the root not only fix the plant in the soil. What is the main function of the root? Fix the plant in the soil. Fix the plant in the soil and the to support, but the most important and the life supporting function of the root is to absorb water and mineral too. Okay, absorb water and mineral. Okay, this one is supports the plant. Fix the plant in the soil to support. It support, but the most important and life supporting function of the root is to absorb water and mineral nutrient from the soil. Okay, and conduct them into the stem for supply to the leaves, flower and fruit, etc. Okay, now both two are the main function of the root, to provide support by fix the plant in the soil, and the second absorb water and mineral nutrient from the soil and उसको stem तक पहुँचाना है, from stem to the different part of the plant. Okay, now need of water and minerals for plant. What are the need of water and mineral in plant? It is a function. It's our function. Okay, need of water and mineral for plant. क्यों चाहिए mineral for plants? Need of water and mineral for plant. Beside being constitution of the protoplasm, water is needed inside the plant body for four purposes. That is photosynthesis के लिए चाहिए water. Okay, and second one, that is transpiration. ट्रांसपिरेशन कूलिंग इफेक्ट करेगा. थर्ड, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन and the fourth one, that is mechanical stiffness. Okay, need for four processes, that is photosynthesis and transpiration, transportation and mechanical stiffness. Okay, basically plant body for it needed for inside the plant body for four purposes, that is photosynthesis, transpiration, transportation and mechanical stiffness. Now first one, photosynthesis. Water is used up in the green leaves as a raw material in the synthesis of glucose, as you know. Second, transpiration. A large quantity of water get evaporated as water vapor during transpiration. For cooling in hot weather or for producing a suction force. Next, transportation. Transportation of substance in water solution from the root upwards into the shoot, mineral salts, or from leaves to other parts like sugar. Mechanical stiffness. Water provide rigidity, full distended condition, which is necessary for the stiffness of plant tissue. Mineral nutrients required by the plant are absorbed from the soil by root only. Some of these nutrients are absorbed as salt, like nitrates. Okay, salts के किस form में होंगे? Minerals like nitrates, phosphate, sulfates, okay, and some simply as ions के फॉर्म में, that is like potassium, calcium, magnesium, potassium, calcium, magnesium ion, and chlorine ion. Okay, these elements are required as constituents of cell and cell organelles, as well as in the synthesis of the variety of compound or enzymes within the cells. Exam में question आता है, these salts are present in the soil like nitrates, phosphate and sulfates, and ions, potassium, calcium, magnesium and chlorine. Okay. Now next one, characteristics of root for absorbing water. ठीक है, root के ऐसी क्या characteristics है जिससे वो water absorb करती है. Characteristics of roots for absorbing water. For absorbing water. For absorbing water. Okay. First one, the ability of root is to draw water from the soil is dependent upon the three characteristics. First one, huge surface area. Huge surface area. सॉइल क्या करती है, उसका सरफेस एरिया बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा होता है, जिसकी वजह से वो दूर दूर तक का पानी को, वाटर को क्या कर लेती है, एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती है. Huge surface area provided by rootlets and root hair. And second, root hairs containing the cell sap. Root hairs containing the cell sap at a high concentration. At high concentration. At high concentration. देन दैट अदर सराउंडिंग. ठीक है, सराउंडिंग का कंसनट्रेशन लो होता है और रूट हेयर्स के अंदर का सेल सैक का कंसनट्रेशन क्या होता है, हाई होता है. ठीक है, जब लो से हाई में आता है तो वो इजीली क्या कर लेती है, एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती है. नाउ थर्ड वन, रूट हेयर्स हैविंग थिन वॉल. रूट हेयर्स हैविंग थिन वॉल. हैविंग थिन वॉल्स. ओके. Surface area of root is enormous. It is a common experience that even a small garden plant such as balsam, when gently uprooted from the soil, show a thick bunch of rootlet, that is branch roots. When carefully examined, each rootlet would show 100 of root hair. If all the root hairs of the plant were to be let end to end, they would cover the length of many kilometers. Okay. Botanist थे, that name is H.J. Dittmer, worked out that a 4-month-old ray plant had an aggregate root length of about 600 kilometer. Okay, scientist name H.J. Dittmer. It's D. Dittmer. Okay. Okay, now next one, second one, root hairs containing the cells at high concentration. देन दैट ऑफ द सराउंडिंग वाटर. सराउंडिंग वाटर का कंसनट्रेशन लेस होता है और रूट हेयर का कंसनट्रेशन सेल्स आपका क्या होता है, हाई होता है. तो नाउ रूट हेयर्स आर द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द आउटर एपिडर्मल सेल ऑफ द रूट. दे ऑल्सो कंटेन अ लार्ज वैक्यूल फिल्ड विद अ शॉर्ट सोल्यूशन कॉल्ड द सेल सैप. Some salts are dissolved in it and the cell sap therefore usually has a concentration higher than that of the surrounding water. This characteristic is an important requirement to draw in water from the outside. For the occurrence of osmosis which is described. Okay, like this. Suppose this is root here. यहाँ का concentration क्या है, high, और बाहर का जो सॉइल सराउंडिंग वाटर है उसका कंसंट्रेशन क्या है, लो है. तो व्हाट इज ऑस्मोसिस? movement of the water molecule from their high concentration to low concentration. तो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल का बाहर कंसंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है, अंदर वाटर नहीं है, तो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल अंदर आने लगेगा बाय दिस मेम्ब्रेन, और अंदर की तरफ जब आएगा तो ये क्या करेगा, इसको एब्जॉर्ब करेगा बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ एंडोस्मोसिस. ओके, वी विल डिस्कस इट लेटर, बट यू अंडरस्टैंड इट ना. कंसंट्रेशन अंदर का ज़्यादा है मीन्स अंदर वाटर नहीं है, बाहर का कंसंट्रेशन कम है मीन्स बाहर वाटर ज़्यादा है. तो व्हाट इज ऑस्मोसिस? मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल फ्रॉम देयर हाई कंसंट्रेशन टू लो कंसंट्रेशन. यानी बाहर वाटर का कंसंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है लेकिन अंदर सेल साफ का कंसंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि अंदर क्या है, सॉल्ट्स है. तो जब वाटर अंदर आने लगेगा तो ये एब्जॉर्प्शन होगा, एंडोस्मोसिस होगी और वाटर रूट एब्जॉर्ब करेंगे. ओके, now root hair have a thin walls, like all plants cells. Root hair also have two layers, a cell wall and a cell membrane. Cell wall is thin, permeable, and it allows the movement of water molecule and dissolve substance freely in and out of the cell. And cell membrane is प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, सेलेक्टिवली मेम्ब्रेन. ओके, ये हर चीज़ को अंदर आने नहीं देती है, सेलेक्टिवली परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन होती है. ओके, इज वेरी थिन एंड सेमी परमेबल, विच मीन्स इट अलाउज वाटर मॉलिक्यूल टू पास थ्रू बट नॉट द लार्जर मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ द डिसॉल्व सॉल्ट. द secrete of the absorption of the water from the soil by the root lies mainly in this characteristic. Okay, now do this progress check in your notebook. First one, list the three primary function of root. Okay, function of root, fix the plant in the soil and support provide करता है. Second, water and mineral को absorb कर रहा है. Mention four purposes for which the plant need water: for photosynthesis, for transportation, for transpiration and for mechanical stiffness. Where are the mineral nutrients mostly used in plant? कहाँ use होते हैं mineral nutrient plant में? That is for transpiration. Okay, and where are the, now next list three main characteristics of root that suit them to draw water from the soil. So means first one, huge surface area, root hairs containing the cell sap at high concentration and root hairs having thin walls. Okay, do it in your notebook.